Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management. Click on Payable. Go to Process. Then to Purchases from Customer. Click on Customer Purchases. Enter Purchase Bill Number. Select Currency. Search Customer. Search Customer Representative. Write Remark. Click on Add New. Select Item. Add Quantity. Add Unit Price. Consumer purchases refer to items used in daily living, e.g., clothing, food, electronics, appliances. Click on Create Purchases from Customer. Then click on Save and Index.